like as cute as a puppy. The plot. When creating a plot, it's important to keep things simple yet engaging. Always remember that the plot is the main part. Okay, the main part. So you should start with a clear conflict. Every good story needs a problem to be solved. So in this story, can you guess what story it is? Yes, Snow White and the Dwarfs. So when the queen feeds her the apple, that is not the problem. No, the problem is that the queen hates Snow White. The queen hates Snow White because her beauty is so strong enough that a mirror says, "Oh, that queen is more beautiful than you." So that is this problem. What the solution was that the people there, the dwarfs there helped her. So this will be the problem. Make it relatable. So if they are able to relate the characters and situations in the story, then they will have more attention. They will pay more attention. You should build tension. So instead of saying directly the solution of the problem, you make a little bit eagerness inside them, and then you'll understand that they will be more engaged with you. Also, you need to provide a clear resolution after you have built tension. You'll give them a satisfying solution that ties up all the loose ends, and this will give the readers a sense of closure and help them feel like they've been on a journey with the characters. Now, make your story engaging by using descriptive words, sensory details, dialogue, and action words. Read your story aloud to catch mistakes and improve flow. Remember, a narrative is a story that has a beginning, middle, and an end. Use descriptive language, characters, and a plot to engage the readers. So, thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Bye.